Welcome back to UltraCar Time. Today we're diving into something truly unique, something that blends rugged charm with compact practicality. We're taking a deep, detailed look at the brand new Suzuki Jimny Mini Pickup truck, a tiny workhorse that's been making big waves. So sit back, relax, and let's explore why this mini pickup is turning into a fan favorite. The moment you walk up to the Jimny Mini Pickup, the first thing that grabs your attention is the front end. It carries that iconic Jimny design, boxy, upright, and unapologetically tough. The round LED headlights give it a retro-modern vibe, while the blacked-out grille and chunky bumper make it look ready for an off-road adventure. Even though this is a small truck, the front presence feels surprisingly bold, almost like a mini G-Class with attitude. Moving along the side, the compact proportions stand out. The wheel arches are squared off with thick cladding, giving a rugged stance, and the short wheelbase instantly tells you this thing was built for maneuverability. The cargo bed is small but cleverly designed, perfect for light hauling, camping gear, tools, or anything that fits an adventurous lifestyle. At the back, you'll see a simple yet functional tailgate, upright taillights, and a high bumper. Nothing too flashy, but exactly what a practical mini pickup should look like. Inside, the Jimny Mini Pickup keeps the classic Jimny feel. Simple, durable, and built for purpose. The cabin is compact but surprisingly comfortable. The dashboard has a clean, utilitarian design with easy-to-reach controls and chunky switches that feel robust. The circular AC vents, touch infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, and supportive fabric seats make the interior feel friendly and functional. Visibility is excellent thanks to the tall windows, giving you that commanding mini SUV driving position. While the rear seats are removed in this pickup version, the added behind-the-seat storage makes room for tools or small bags. When it comes to performance, the Jimny Mini Pickup stays true to the Jimny's off-road DNA, powered by a small but efficient engine, depending on the market, typically a 1.5-liter petrol. The power delivery is smooth and well-matched for city driving and light off-road adventures. It's not built for speed, but it shines in capability. The lightweight body, ladder frame chassis, part-time 4WD system, and low-range gearing make it far more capable than its size suggests. Whether you're maneuvering through tight city streets or tackling muddy tracks, the Jimny Mini Pickup handles it with surprising confidence. The suspension is slightly firm but designed to handle both urban bumps and off-road terrain. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, making it a smart option for daily driving. In terms of pricing, the Suzuki Jimny Mini Pickup comes in at an attractive range depending on region, typically starting from a budget-friendly point that makes it one of the most affordable lifestyle pickups on the market. For buyers wanting a unique design, solid off-road capability, and a practical bed without the cost of a full-size truck, the pricing makes this mini pickup extremely appealing. If you're looking for a compact vehicle that stands out, offers legendary off-road performance, and delivers utility in a small package, the Jimny Mini Pickup is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for outdoor lovers, small business owners, or anyone who wants a capable little truck that's fun to drive. My suggestion: choose it if you value maneuverability over payload, charm over luxury, and adventure over everyday routine. But if you need a large bed or heavy towing power, this might not be the right choice. Thanks for watching UltraCar Time. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more content on unique and exciting vehicles, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more deep dive reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.